Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you. What a great review! We're always thrilled to hear about a happy customer's experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.